Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a watermark to your Google Docs document in just a few simple steps. First, go to Insert, then select Watermark. From here, you have two options. You can upload a custom image as your watermark or simply add custom text. Let's try typing the word watermark as an example. Now, you can customize it. Change the font from the list, adjust the font size, control the transparency, choose whether it appears diagonally or horizontally, and decide the placement, behind or in front of the text. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click Done. The watermark will be applied to all pages of your document. To remove it, just double-click the watermark and hit Delete on your keyboard. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more short and helpful tutorials from the boring content. Thanks for watching.